flour, light brown sugar, granulated sugar, raisins, walnuts, oil, eggs, cinnamon, salt, pumpkin spice, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, pumpkin puree, banana, loaf pan. Add oil, eggs, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and mix for 2 minutes. Add pumpkin puree, add banana, mix for another 2 minutes. Add baking powder and baking soda, pumpkin spice, salt, and mix for another 30 seconds. Add flour, mix until almost combined. Now we're going to scrape down sides of bowl. For another 30 seconds. Add walnuts. Add half of raisins. Then add the other half of raisins. Now add mixture to loaf pan. Preheat oven to 350. Bake bread for 1 hour and 25 minutes. And this is what our finished bread looks like. So delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thanks everyone.